Hey guys, got a 2023 plate Renault Arkanna here. Just going to show you how to adjust the date and the time on this one. So on this one, we're going to come to the screen on the center of the dash. And then from here, we're going to click where the time is in the top right hand corner. And now you have your date format you can change, time format, if you want it 24-hour clock or 12-hour clock, AM, PM. Clock format, digital or analog. And then here is where you can set it automatically. So if you want to do it manually, you can turn that off. Set your date manually, or do your time. If you don't want to do that, just press automatic and that's it.